Good morning, students. We have already finished 2 lessons. So, we are going to third lesson, exercise 1. So, what this lesson? HCF and LCM. We know HCF. HCF means highest common factor. LCM means lowest common multiple. So highest common factor, lowest common multiple, HCF and LCM. So these two topics we are learned. So before we are learn divisibility rules, everyone learn the divisibility rules. So if you have doubt, go to the 8th class, their divisibility rule in our group channel. So, and also we are discussing divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. So, what is divisibility rules? So, a number divided by another number, that is a division. So here every number has one particular rule. So that rule, what are they? Now 2 divisibility rule. So what is the 2 divisibility rule? A number divide by 2 when in that number ones place even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that number divisible by 2. That number divisible by 2. Let's see examples. 532 divided by 2. A number divided by 2. So when in that number ones place even numbers. First we know even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That 5 digits are even numbers. So here ones place, which digit? 2. Ones place is even. So ones place is even. This number divided by 2. So 532 divided by 2 is divisible. Next one. 7, 9, 3, 1 divided by 2. Here ones place odd numbers. Odd numbers, what are they? Remember ones place, odd number. One is a odd number. So here ones place odd number. 7,931 divided by 2 is not divisible. When we are say divisible in ones place only even number, we are say divisible. Their odd number given, that is not divisible. So here 3, 7, 5, 9. These all are odd numbers. We last one keep 0. So here main ones place which number? Ones place is even number. So 37,590 divided by 2 is divisible. This is divisibility rule 2. Next one, divisibility rule 3. Divisibility rule 3. A number divided by 3 when the sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 3, that number also divisible by 3. See, a number divided by 3 when the sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 3, that number also divisible by 3. Example, divided by 3. So they are asking a number divided by 3. Okay, when the sum of the all digits, so in that number these all digits we are adding 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. How much? 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 divided by 3. So 19 divided by 3 divisible or not divisible? So we know not divisible. Now these number also completely not divisible. Not divisible. Next one. Divided by 3. So in this number sum of the all digits 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 6. How much? 11. 11 plus 3 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 divided by 3 divisible or not divisible? 3 6 are 18 divisible. So 5634 divided by 3 is divisible. Next one. So this is 3 divisibility rule. As is 9 divisibility rule also. As is this like a number divided by 9 when the sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 9, that number also divisible by 9. 3 divisibility rule, 9 divisibility rule, same. Why you are asking? 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 divisibility rule, 9 divisibility rule, same. 3 square is a 9. Next one, 4 divisibility rule. 4 divisibility rule. A number divided by 4 when in that number last two digits ones tens place, ones and tens place, last two digits divisible by 4, that number also divisible by 4. So a number divided by 4 when in that number last two digits means ones tens place. The two places numbers divided by 4, that number also divisible by 4. So example, example 5616 divided by 4. Here last two numbers, what are they? 16. 16 divided by 4. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 5616 divided by 4 is also divisible. Another example, 8429 divided by 4. So 29 divided by 4, divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. Not divisible. So 8429 divided by 4 also not divisible. Right. Next one, 5 divisibility rule. Five divisibility rule. A number divided by 5 when in that number in that number ones place 0 or 5. In that number 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. So 5625 divided by 5. So here ones place, just you check ones place. Ones place 5. Ones place is 5. So 5 is divisible or not divisible? Like a 5 divided by 5, divisible. So this number also is divisible. So this number also divisible. Is divisible. Next, 7320 divided by 5. So ones place 0 divided by 5. In 5 table, 0 coming or not coming? 5 zeros are 0. So 0 divided by 5 is divisible. Seven 7320 divided by 5 is also divisible. Next one, another example. 8326 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5. Divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So 8326 divided by 5 is not divisible. Next one, 6 divisibility rule. What is 6 divisibility rule? A number divide by 6 when that number divide by 2 and 3. Simple. A number divide by 6 when that number that number divide by 2 and 3. Why 2 and 3? 2 3s are 6. So 2 divisible and 3 divisible. That number 6 also divisible. So example, 245 divided by 2. 243 divided by 2. So this is divisible by 2 or not divisible. So we know what is the 2 divisibility rule. In ones place even number, but here given odd number. So not divisible. Not divisible. But 243 divided by 3. So 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 9 divided by 3. Oh, this is divisible. So 2 not divisible, 3 divisible. Now question mark. 6 divisible or not divisible? So here for example 3 no, 6 how to coming? Here 3, there is no 6 how to coming? Must and should 6 coming here, 2 digits must and should we have. One is a 2, one is a 3. As it is here, any number divided by 6, that number must and should divided by 2 and must and should divided by 3. So here 2 not divisible. So 243 divided by 6 is not divisible. Why? Here one rule satisfy, one rule not satisfy. 3 is satisfied, 2 is not satisfied. So overall 6 also not satisfied. Copy that. Next one. Eight divisibility rule. What is the 4 divisibility rule? Easy, I say. Last 2 numbers. So 8 means last 3 numbers. Simple. 8 divisibility rule. 8 divisibility rule. A number divide by 8 when in that number last 3 digits divisible by 8, that number divisible by 8, that number divisible by 8. So here example 5328 divided by 8. So last 3 digit number 328 divided by 8. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 5328 divided by 8 is divisible. Next one. 70,020 divided by 8. So last 3 digit number 020 divided by 8. Divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So 70,820 divided by 8 not divisible. So 9 divisibility rule. 9 divisibility rule. C 3 divisibility rule. So 9 divisibility rule, 3 divisibility rule. What is a 3 divisibility rule? A number divided by 3, here a number divided by 9. When the sum of the all digits in that number divisible by 3, here divisible by 9, that number also divided by 3, here that number also divided by 9. So 10 divisibility rule. You know, 10 table last ones place which digit? 0. So a number divide by 10 when in that number ones place 0, that is divisible by 10. So here 15,150 divided by 10, ones place 0, divisible. Now we are going to exercise 3.1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 6? Their first question, divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and divisible by 6. What are they, that numbers? Here 2,37,192. So this is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 6. Now we will check. So divisible by 2. Divided by 2. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. See how to we say in ones place 2. So what is the 2 divisibility rule? In ones place is the even numbers. Here 2 is a even number. Ones place even number. 2 divisibility rule. So divisible. Next one, divided by 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2. Here 1 also. 1 plus. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 divided by 3. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible. So 22,37,192 divided by 3 is divisible. So this number 2 divisible and 3 divisible. So automatically 6 also divisible. Divisible. So 2 and 3 divisible. 6 also divisible. Next one. 1,93,272. So this number 2 divisibility rule you check, 3 check and 6 check. 1,93,272 divided by 2. Divisible or not divisible? In ones place is a even number. Ones place is a even number. 1,93,272 divided by 2 divisible. Next one. Divided by 3. So 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 divided by 3, divisible. So 1 1,93,272 divided by 6. 2 and 3 divisible. 6 also divisible. Next one. Here third problem. 9,72,312. So 9,72,312 divided by 2. One's place is an even number. So fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth one homework. Next one. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and 10. Check the whether numbers are divisible by 10 and 5 and 2. Second one. First, given numbers. Given numbers, what are they? 25, 125, 250, 1050, 10,205, 7,000, 70,985, 45,880. So here 5. How many numbers are divisible by 5? How many numbers are divisible by 10? 10. And how many numbers are divisible by 2, 5, 10? So divisible by 5. What is 5 divisible? Here how many numbers are divisible by 5? 25, 125, 250, 1000, 250, 10,205, 7,70,985, 45,880. So these are all numbers divisible by 5. Next one, divisible by 10. What are they? In one's place 0. 250, 1,250, 45,850. Next one asking 2, 5 and 10 divisible by 2, 5 and 10. What are they? Here see. 2 divisible this number, 5 divisible, 10 divisible. So this number also, this number also. These numbers divisible by 2, divisible by 5, divisible by 10. Next one. Make 3 different digit numbers. Each digit can use only once. These numbers are divisible by 9. So third one. Given digits. What are the given digits? 2, 3, 4. So make 3 different numbers. So make 3 different numbers. So 234 one number, 342 one number, 423 one number. So these 3 numbers divisible by 9. 234 divisible by 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 9 divided by 9. Divisible. Next one. 342 divided by 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2. 9 divided by 9. So these three digits we are adding divided by 9. So any number we are using these three digits, that number divided by 9. Four 423 divided by 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3. 9 divided by 9. Divisible. Next, fourth one. Write different two-digit numbers using these digits. Whether check divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Asked is like a third problem. So fourth one, given digits, what are the given digits? 5, 6, 7. Here 3 digits given, but they are asking using 3 digits, you 2-digit numbers you create. That numbers is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. 56 one number, 67 one number, 65 one number, 76 one number. So these numbers divisible by 2 only. This number divisible by 3 only. This number divisible by 5. This number divisible by 2. The two numbers only. Right. Next one. So you write 76, 67, right? So 65, right? So these numbers. Next one, fifth one. Find the smallest number that must be added to 128. It became exactly divisible by 5. So here given number what are they? 128. So these 128, how many numbers we are adding? Exactly divisible by 5. So 128 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25, here 3. So now here remaining how many numbers? Remaining 3. So how many numbers we are adding to the 3? Divisible by 5. 2 numbers. So here remaining 3. So 2 added. Smallest number they are asking. 2 added to the remaining get 5. So now see, 128 plus 2, 130 divided by 5 is divisible. So smallest number, which number? 2. So 1 we are adding, 5 coming, not divisible. 2 we are adding, so 5 coming, that is divisible. Next, find the smallest number has subtract from 276 that it became exactly divisible by 10. As t is this like only, their subtract given. So given number what are they? 276. So this number divisible by 10, you check. 10 2s are 20, 7, 6, 10 7 are 76, 27. So this is divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So how many numbers we are subtracting from this number divisible by 10? So here remaining 6. So 206 subtract from 276 is 270. 270 divided by 10 is divisible. So how many numbers we are subtract from 276? 6 numbers. Next, write the all numbers between 10 to 200 which are divisible by 6. Seventh one, 100 to 20, 200 between numbers, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 199. That is, they are asking how many numbers, these numbers divided by 6. So now here, this number divided by 2, no. This number divided by 2, yes. And also this number divided by 3 also. So 102 divided by 2 divisible. So 102 divided by 3 divisible. So 102 divided by 6 divisible. So from these number you are add 6. So 102 divided by 6. Next number 102 plus 6. 108. 108 plus 6. 114. 114 plus 6. 120. So 120, 126, 132, 138, 144, 150, 156, 150, 62, 168, 174, 180, 186, 190 to 198. These numbers divided by 6 between 100 and 200. Next one, eighth one. Write the greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 3. What do you notice? So write the greatest number, 4-digit greatest number. So 4-digit greatest number. What are they? 9999. This number divided by 9. You check. So, what is 9 divisibility rule? Sum of the all digits divided by 9. So, 36 divided by 9. Divisible. So this is also divisible. They are asking next one. These number divisible by 3. Check. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 36 divided by 3. Divisible. So divisible. Here what you observe? Any number divided by 9, that number also divided by 3. Here, down right here, any number divided by 9, that number also divisible by 9. Next one, which of the following divisible by 8? So just these all exercises divisibility rule we are using. So there first one, 1238 divided by 8. So divisible or not divisible? Last 2-digit number, 238 divisible. So 8 2s are 16, 7 8. 8 9s are 72, 6. Not divisible. So 1238 divided by 8, not divisible. Second one, 1356. 13,576 divided by 8. 576 divided by 8. Just we have check. 8 7s are 56. 1 6. 8 2s are 16. 0. So 13,576 divided by 8 divisible. Next one, 93,000 third one. 93,624 divided by 8. So last 2-digit number, 624 divided by 8. Divisible or not divisible? 8 8 are 64, 8 7 are 56, 6, 4. 8 8 is 64. Divisible. So 93,624 divided by 8. Divisible. Next one. 67,104 divided by 8. 104 divided by 8. Just you check. 8 1 ja 8. So here 2, here 4. 8 3 ja 24. So 67,104 divided by 8. Divisible. Next one, last problem. So write the nearest number to divisible by 4.